What's up, Freedom Gorillas? Today we have yet another co-witness guide for you on the all-new Kimber 2k11 using all of the Vortex Defender series optics as well as the Venom enclosed dot. So without further ado, let's get into it. And if you didn't already know, all co-witness is referring to is how much of your iron sights are going to be visible through the window of your optic. And as always, all of the optics that you see in today's video are available at freedomgorilla.com. We have the best price, free shipping, link down in the description below. Go click that link, go get yourself set up. You'll be glad that you did. Alrighty guys, few very important things to note before we get started with the co-witness portion of the video. As you can see, when you take off this little cover here, the rear iron sight is built into it. Issue being, how can we co-witness if we have no rear iron sight? And the plate that Kimber includes is from C&H. It does not have a built-in rear iron sight. Therefore, there is no point of co-witnessing. But now these are not available through us, but you can get these only through Kimber, believe it or not, because CHPWS only makes them for Kimber. But all of these plates, you have RMSC, RMR, and DPP, as well as I believe they have Acro and some other footprints. The only place you can get them is Kimber, and these are the only ones that have the built-in rear iron sight, as you can see. So that is built right into the back of it, just pops right on, as you would think. Screw it down, and boom, now you have iron sights again. A couple more things I will note about the difference in this co-witness. So DPP and RMSC plates. For the RMSC plate here, we have about a normal height iron. It's about the height, it's pretty much exactly the height of the stock iron sight. That works well for pretty much all the RMSC footprint optics. I will say it does have a little bit of trouble once you get into the stuff with higher deck heights. But that being said, and I think this was very smart of C&H, they include a higher rear iron sight on the RMR and DPP footprints. I believe, well, this is the DPP. I don't know yet about the RMR. I still have to get to that video. But as far as this is concerned, we have an even higher iron sight. So when we put on those higher deck height optics, we still get that co-witness because it clears it, which I think was super smart on their part. That remains to be seen. We gotta check it out and see how they actually co-witness. But also, we will just go over real quick all of the optics that we're going to be doing the co-witness on here. We have our Vortex Defender CCW, Vortex Defender CCW enclosed. Both of these will be using the RMSC footprint plate. Then we have our Defender ST enclosed, our Defender XL, our trusty Defender ST, and the Venom enclosed red dot. All of these will be using the DPP footprint. So that being said, without further ado, let's get into the actual co-witness portion of the video. And alrighty guys, that is going to do it for yet another Freedom Gorilla co-witness guide. Couple important things to note. I was very impressed with the DPP plate, how that co-witnessed with pretty much everything, as you can see. The only real gripe we have is with the RMSC footprint. When you get into those little bit higher deck heights, like the Defender ST enclosed, you get quite a bit less of the co-witness. It still is there, and it still is fairly usable, but just something to keep in mind if you're looking to purchase one of these plates with your whatever optic combination that you have. Might run into an issue depending on how high or low of a co-witness you like. It's all personal preference at the end of the day. And as I said in the beginning of the video, all of the optics that you see in today's video are available at freedomgorilla.com for the best price, free shipping. Link down in the description below. Go click that link, get yourself set up. You'll be glad that you did. Remember to subscribe to Freedom Gorilla for the best optic content on YouTube. And if you would like any additional information on any of the optics or plates that we covered in this video, we have fitment guides, all of that stuff on our website that you could check out, or here at the Freedom Gorilla YouTube channel. You can watch those videos, and we are going to see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching.